Yo, what's up, folks? Today I'm taking on a crazy challenge turning $1 to 100 through high-risk trading. Now, let me be clear, I do not recommend this strategy to anyone. This is a purely an experiment, and I'm doing it as a professional trader, of course, to test my skills and strategies under extreme conditions. Why I'm doing this, of course, for you to enjoy the video and to challenge my discipline and risk money management, to push the limits of small account growth, to analyze how different market conditions impact aggressive trading. So let's see what we will do, and let's get started. Alright, let's start with just $1 because that's the limit we've set ourselves. First things first, we need to pick a solid trading pair. Yep, I think we will go with this one. The trend here looks pretty clear. Just a quick reminder, we're only trading with the trend today, looking for solid setups, good entry points. Yes, this is a challenge. Of course, setting up our support and resistance lines. Today, at least at the start of the session, we're going all in on every trade. Yes, full send. Yes, first we need to find a strong trend. I think Euro Pound is going... Yeah, I think it's gonna be our best bet. Let's double up the first trade. We're working with three key factors here: a $1 balance, a $1 trade size, and a 1 minute trade. That's the strategy for today. First trade is in. I'm confident this will close in profit. First trade is the win. Let's continue the trading. Okay, let's keep going. We are at 192 now, running it back with the same setup, same pair, same trend. Going all in again. A reminder, it's 192 now. Imagine only having $2 to your name. Okay, but we stick in strategy. Boom. We have double up again, now at 369, moving forward. Okay, thinking about the next pair. First, let's lock in our next trade. Alright, let's switch it up. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. It's a good trend, but let's give it a shot. Momentum is forming. We are looking at the 4-hour trend. Checking the overall moment. Seems solid. Let's go for it. No room for mistakes, guys. Here we going from $1 to the moon. 369 on the table. Let's do this. Let me think. I've got a responsibility to you guys. Alright, watching the price. Adjusting our trend line. Actually, I'm flipping this going along. Buying now, price should bounce off support, and there it goes. Entry is the key. No rushing. Short-term trades require precision. Price is moving fast. Staying calm is the key. Looks like our support line held strong, and we are closing. Another double up. We are at 7 now, from 1 to 7. Sticking with the trend. That's the whole game plan, by the way. All in game. Looking for the perfectly entry. Picking the right pair and entry point makes all the difference. Let's do this. Shorting again, right at resistance. Only a trend reversal could stop us now. We'll time it till 12. Fake breakout incoming? Maybe, but the trend is strong. We are riding it step by step. And boom! 13, 5, 9. Crushing it. Hey. Okay. Hey man, isn't a recommend strategy? This is an experiment, more for the adrenaline and skill test, but we will go into the next trait. Just money management and risk management today. Wow, short you again. Real better friend here. Australian dollar, New Zealand again. Going all in. Well, did you hear that? That was close, but there's trading for you guys. And we're up 26. Time for a new pair. Need something more stable. Let's check out auctions. I already know this one. Euro pound is still holding strong. Let's go for another X2 26 and play. We'll give for the Dawit 10-3. Shorting again. Waiting for confirmation. From $1 to 100. I do not recommend. It is a strategy, of course. Yeah, but yeah, it's interesting challenge anyway. Yes, it's 5% right now. Yes, we did it. $50 on our account. Let's find a pair now that will definitely help us to multiply. I think this trend is strong enough. There's a little more strategy here than just a line of resistance and support, because yeah, in principle I see the patterns. I see the figure. Let me check another pair. Okay. Yeah, it's a big deal now. 50-50 on our account, guys. Let's just I see the good figure here. I see a strong trend. Even if you don't see, I see. Yeah, this is a good point here. Let me try with this pair. Just patient. Yeah, I think $50 is good. Should I put all this money? No, I will put 25, which is a half of 50. I'll put 25 in this strategy. More precisely 26 and 9 cents. No, I will still put exactly 25. So yeah, so that we have one more chance to bounce back. After all, here we already have money. Yeah, it's money management, guys, because 50 is already a deposit. We put half of the deposit, and yeah, this is a little scary, to be honest. I'm a little worried, to be honest. I want to wait for the price to go exactly where I need. There are doubts, but yeah, I do believe in this trend and this strategy. It looks like a 2 peaks actually, but yeah, we will take a risk. In any case, our whole strategy today is risky. I will now slightly adjust the corridor. It's like, yes, it's a time to take a risk. We open it a deal. This is the half of our deposit, I remind you, for now. We started with $1 and now we have 50 in our account. Friends, this is not a problem. It's good that we split our capital at this point. We are now looking at other pairs. I want to find $25. This is not bad. We can multiply once and this will be the result. I look at this pair. This is the British pound against the Japanese yen. The British pound against the Japanese yen. Yes. The table is going quite well. But if Trump, well, set up the corridors, resistance zones, support zones, create according to our strategy. We have 25 and now they're going to open the deal. Friends, we are waiting. Our patience is everything. Trend is our friend. Everyone knows, I'm sure, of my strategy. And I'm sure that now is the time to open the deal. Buy for an increase. It's time. A good starting point. Let's go. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Everything is fine. Although I'm actually nervous. I usually trade without hurt himself transactions like 50 or object. This is an interesting experiment. This is the nice emotions and a lot of adrenaline right now. You see, we have 48.09 right down. Let's go next trade. Well, let me mind that we have 48.09 and we will go all in, guys. Let's pick the good pair. Let's pick the good pair. I really like this one. Yes, I really feel this pair. It will be the perfect for us. For our all-in. So let's go. And I feel that, yeah, I'd like... It's not just resistance and support lines. Actually, that I tried this pair many times. And that's why I really feel good, these dynamics of these prides, and I see the good trend. Hey, two bears, all the bears who go to sell all the time. Okay, it's not just intuition, it's also strategy, positive feelings, and yes, let me just do the corridor well. Patience is our everything. Strength is our friend. And yes, let's catch the moment when we can open the trade. We can catch when the price pulls back from resistance line. I will correct our... I will correct... it's okay, it's okay. The corridor is looking well. Yes. It will work. Guys, it will work. I have a lot of experience with this pair. And I already see the pattern of our winning, of our success. Just deep breath, because it's we go all in with $48. Remind you that it came from just one. Okay, guys, let's do this. It's good time. That's right. That's right. I hit so much emotions. I didn't have these emotions when I trade $100, $1,000 back now, just from $1. And yeah, it's a really interesting challenge. Okay, guys, I think I'm ready. All in or not? All in or not? What I can do? Let's keep calm and follow the strategy. Just yes. That's this. This is the deal. By the way, remind you that I not can have you to trade like this like a strategy. If you want a proper strategies, proper insights, proper signals, go to my Telegram channel. We'll trading that together smart way and we'll make money stable. Still, this is interesting explain it. I learned a lot I will make my notes from this. Ah! Imagine from $1. Yes! And as I promised it, we must break 100. Yes. Therefore, I do not want to risk large amount. Yeah, we will put $10 to break 100. Let's open a deal for $10. How do you like how to change this format? He is strong. In the last deal proved it. So we still have for $82 in the stock. So yes, friends, 153. Yes, how do you like it? From $1 pure profit, 153. Wow. Well, at first I thought this was a mission impossible, but guess what? Mission is accomplished finally. We started with just $1 and now we're sitting at 100. What a ride. Hey, what can I say? There's a lot of emotions, and of course it's all about challenge, money management, risk management. I will never recommend this like a sustainable strategy. If you want to see sustainable strategy, go to my Telegram channel, it's a lot there. But I hope you guys enjoy, and if you enjoy this challenge, so put the like, subscribe this channel, go to my Telegram channel, and come to another videos. We have a lot of things to share with you. See you next time, please.